Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney girl, and it's unboxing time. I have a couple of boxes that have come in recently, so there will be several videos. I still like keeping them all in separate videos, just so it's a little bit easier, hopefully, for you guys. But let's go ahead and dive into them because what it is Boxy Charm. Really liking this. Forget how many months we've been doing it so far. But this is the August box. Normally, I will admit, I have gone through the boxes beforehand, just because, as I mentioned before, I do share it with my mom, which I found was a really kind of economical way to do this, just because there might be things in here that I don't want to use, she might not want to use, and the other one might want to use it. So this time, though, I have not opened this box. It just came and decided let's go ahead and do this video, open it up and see what's in here. So here we go. This is the standard Boxy Charm for August. So let's see what we got. All right, so first things first. Looks like the theme is Go All Out. So let's see what's in Go All Out. And I'm actually really happy because the very first thing is a palette, and this is just a cool looking palette with the solar system. It is the Dito Venus palette, of course limited edition. It is taped, so I'm going to try to get this open. So, got to use a pen because that's what I have. Alright, so the description. Float through the stars with this limited edition palette. It represents the planet Venus with 12 shades that embody glittering gold to warm, neutral brown colors. The opaque, high-pigmented satin soft formula provides an adhesive for multiple beautiful shades ranging from matte, shimmery, creamy, ultra shiny glitter, and shimmer with sparkle to create your glam look. Alright guys, so let's see. Ooh, okay, first of all, mirror. Alright. And it's so, like, that's so cute that it actually is set up like a solar system. So of course Venus right here. This one, I don't know if you can really see on the camera. Mars is very like kind of stony, so it's kind of cool. It's got some coral, some pinks, some white. So definitely, of course, when you put that all together, and then of course, moon. This one here, which looks like copper, and silver. Demios, Europa is like that. I can't tell if that's black. Oh my gosh, guys, it feels so creamy. And then you got this purple candy mead. So like, we're gonna try Mercury. That's a good little base. I mean, that feels so creamy. Like, I can't wait to put this on my eyes. Like, try to do a close-up. Like, it feels awesome. And I'm not familiar with this brand. Ditto, Dito. But yeah, ooh, excited about that one. And then the retail price for this is $29.99. So let's see what else we have. Iconic London, which we do get a lot of iconic products, I feel like, lately. This is the ultimate bronzing powder. I will admit that I am not, haven't really dove that deep into bronze powder. And I keep meaning to, but I definitely want to know what I'm doing. Alright, so there is actually a little sticker, but you've got a mirror here. And that is your bronze. Like, that is a huge compact, which is good. And that is your shade. So it's this warm bronze. So here's what this is actually saying. So ultimate bronzing powder is perfect for creating all over sun-kissed warmth or to define or sculpt the face. With a natural matte finish, you can fake a just stepped off the beach bronze look all year round. This silky powder sits comfortably on the skin, skimming effortlessly over pores and fine lines for the ultimate flawless finish. Available in 6 flattering shades to suit all skin tones. And this is actually worth $35. So yeah, this actually is a perfect opportunity for me to try a bronzer. I definitely, like I said, want to know what I'm doing before I like buy a bunch of like expensive stuff like this. Just because I don't want to look orange. I don't want to look super fake tan, just like a little glow like this describes. So really excited to try that. All right, let's see what else we have. All right, so we have Kate Somerville, Exfoliate. That's cute. Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. So let's read about this. So it is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Revive dull, dry, lackluster looking skin with Kate's Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Powerhouse ingredients remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. All about a moisturizer. So here is, see if it'll, all the words are in orange, and we've gotten some of this stuff before because it's got a little smiley face and I remember that. So, ooh, it's actually kind of like, it just smells very, very clean. Like like sea minerals or something, and I love that smell. The camera's not really picking it up, but it's like a light green. It reminds me of like a clay mask. Obviously I have a full makeup on, but I'm gonna put some on my hand. I love that smell. Like, I don't know what that smell is, but I love it. It just shows lactic acid and hyaluronic acid. It says use AM and PM, which is nice. So yeah, like, definitely excited about that. And let me just point out though, this is $70, guys. All right, so let's see what we have next. All right, we have Claire's New York Serum plus vitamin E retinol, 96% natural. It is stimulating, targeted treatment. So let's see what this says. So this is a 96% blend of retinol and vitamin E oils, intensively stimulates and moisturizes quenched skin. Retinol provides anti-aging effects by acting as a targeted treatment, promoting skin cell renewal and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Antioxidant-rich vitamin E hydrates while providing anti-aging benefits such as improved cellular strength, elasticity, used daily for a brighter complexion. So let's take a look. And it's one thing that, if you guys have seen any serums before, it's, you know, very liquidy. Like, this is almost gel. Like, it's actually, the camera obviously is not going to pick it up, but taking a while to, like, for the liquid to move around the bottle. You've got a little dropper. Let's see what this smells like. Doesn't really have a smell, which it doesn't bother me. I don't need everything to have a smell. I'm just going to try. Okay. I'm just going to take some. It didn't drop out. I actually took some off the dropper. It feels really nice. And a little bit definitely goes a long way. Like, I'm actually have to, like, spread it out. So that's interesting. I've been a little wary personally with some serums, because some of them that I've gotten, I've had a reaction to, and that's just my skin. But the fact that this is 96% natural, I might be okay with. And I've noticed that I think some of the serums that I've tried have a vitamin C, so I just might have a reaction to that. But I'm definitely excited to try that one. All right, so one last thing we have. All right, Manicadar Skincare Hydration Happy Hydrating Face Mist. Actually love a face mist. So, all right, so soothe and refresh tired skin with a mist that preps skin to a hydrating paste before makeup application. This mighty mix of minerals wakes up skin, leaving you ready to take on the rest of the day. I actually do have a hydrating mist. It's actually Burt's Bees. So I actually put that on my face before I apply makeup. So I'm actually excited to try a different brand and just kind of see if that gives me some different results. So that's actually really cool too. It is completely sealed. So let's see. I do have a full face, so I don't want to spray my face. Doesn't really have a smell, which again is not a bad thing. But it does say on the bottle, known as one of the natural wonders of the world, the Dead Sea produces 12 minerals that are not found in any other sea or ocean. These ingredients, such as calcium, zinc, copper, magnesium, and potassium, are known to help the ability to soothe skin, clean, revitalize, and strengthen. So, and actually now I'm getting kind of like a sea, like a oceany smell, which I love an ocean smell. All right, so that is everything from the August box. So let's take the handy dandy calculator and add everything up. Kind of see where we're at. Okay, so the Kate's Foliate Moisturizer is $70. The Iconic Bronzing Powder is $35. The palette, the Ditto Venus palette, is $29.99. All right, and then we have the Clara's Serum Vitamin E, is $24.99. Which I feel like that's actually a reasonable price for some of the serums I've seen lately. And then last but not least, the face mist by Manicadar Beauty is $19, which again, I feel like that's a really good price. All right, guys, so total $178.98 for everything we just got in that box. And I want to say that everything is like, I pay like $40 or $50 a month for this box. So it is well worth it. If you don't get the boxes, I highly recommend them. They are fun. Even if you're not like a huge makeup person, like you just like the experimentation, split it with somebody. Like I'm splitting it with my mom. So split it with somebody in case there's something you don't want to try, they might want to try. So did you guys get the August box? What is your favorite thing? Did you guys get something different than what I got? Let me know in the comments below. As always, like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. I am by no means a makeup expert. I just love makeup and love providing any information I can do to help you guys, because hopefully you love it just as much as I do. All right, guys. See you next time.